Hi everyone, I'm back with the Everyday Elegance Simply Sent card kit, and you'll see in this card kit it's got two different cards. One's the Baja Breeze one and one is in Cherry Cobbler. I'm going to do the Cherry Cobbler one today. So one thing that I tend to use on mine is I use my paper piercer just to pop out these little bits. You can use your bone folder too and just rub it along, and that will also get them out. I find sometimes when they're these little tiny ones that I just do better with the paper piercer, as long as I don't stab myself, which I have been known to do. Okay, looks like we got most of them. So in this card kit there's 4 of the Cherry Cobbler and there are 4 of the Baja Breeze. And they've got this gorgeous scalloped edge, and then inside the card they've got the coordinating Cherry Cobbler without the pattern so that it just kind of shows through. It's a nice contrast for the Whisper White. In the package you also get 8 of the Cherry Cobbler labels and 8 of the Baja Breeze labels. I'm going to use the Cherry Cobbler label on this one. And there is a coordinating stamp set for this one, but I'm actually just going to use my Thank You Kindly stamp set, which is just this great one right here. Now, I would never stamp on a label like this, especially when I'm limited in the amounts, without using my Stamp-A-Majig. So for those of you who haven't used a Stamp-A-Majig, all you do is you take your plastic piece, and you'll notice I have it's kind of destroyed now, little sticky dot on one side so that I can always remember which side I did my stamping on. Not for words because they'll end up backwards, but with a flower. Tuck it right into the corner of the little L shape, okay? And once it's in the corner, you're going to take your stamp, or if it's wood mount or if you're on an acrylic block, you tuck it in up high so that both sides are touching, and you go straight down. And now I've got my image exactly where I want. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to position this where I want it on my label and make sure it's straight. Now I'm going to put that little L-shaped, I guess it's not really an L if you're looking at it, it's T-shaped upside down, but I'm using the L on one side. And then once I've got that piece where I want it, I can remove the little plastic overlay, take it out, and cut my stamp again, tuck it right back in, again touching both, slide it straight down, and then it's positioned exactly where I want it. Now I thought on this one that it would look cute with a little bit of bling. What doesn't look cute with bling? So I actually use my paper snips on these like tweezers because I find I can often get them stuck to my fingers and not going where I want them. So this way you can just slide it right off. Don't lift upward, lift sideways or drag it sideways. Sometimes if you lift straight up with these, the glue dots come off the back, and that'll ensure that it stays where you actually want it to be. And so then I'm just going to take this, and again you can stick it straight down right onto the card, or you could pop it up, as I'm going to do, with some dimensionals. You don't need 3. I get a little carried away with dimensionals. And then I'm just going to use right on the card, because I've got 5 scallops, I'm just going to use my 3rd scallop as my centering point. And then you've got a gorgeous little thank you card. And again, that was the Everyday Elegance Simply Sent card kit. Thanks for watching.